Welcome back to the channel Stocks Market News. Beat the index. Today we'll speak about the situation on the stock market on Wednesday. At the close in NYSE, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.54%, while the S&P 500 fell 0.75%, and the Nasdaq Composite Index lost 0.72%. At the close in Frankfurt, the DAX declined 0.33%, while the MDAX lost 0.55%, and the Tech DAX Index lost 0.99%. At the close in Paris, the CAC 40 fell 0.77%, while the SBF 120 lost 0.79%. At the close in Tel Aviv, the TA 35 rose 0.92%. At the close in Copenhagen, the OMX Copenhagen 20 declined 0.59%. At the close in Saudi Arabia, the Tadawul share declined 1.20%. At the close in NSE, the Nifty 50 declined 0.37%, while the BSE Sensex 30 index declined 0.33%. Germany will purchase 60 Chinook heavy-lift helicopters from Boeing to supplant its maturing CH-53K fleet, taking care of a frequently delayed ruling against the background of the conflict in Ukraine. Panasonic Holdings Corp, which makes batteries for Tesla, said on Wednesday it had transported samples of its all the more impressive 4,680 ormat electric car battery to the U.S. electric vehicle creator as it plans for a flood in North American power pack creation. Italy's Lamborghini needs to have 2 hybrid supersports cars in its reach past 2030 controlled by e-fuels, the top of the Volkswagen image was cited as saying in a paper interview on Wednesday. Russian gas maker Gazprom has removed gas supplies to Denmark's Orsted and to Shell Energy for its agreement to supply gas to Germany, it said on Wednesday, referring to the organization's inability to make installments in rubles. Industrial conglomerate 3M CEO on Wednesday cautioned of a $300 million hit to income in the current quarter as COVID lockdowns in China hammer interest and deteriorate store network issues. Pfizer plans to sell its 32% stake in Haleon, its consumer health venture with British drug maker GSK, after the business records as a free organization in July, GSK said on Wednesday. Salesforce.com Incorporated stock rose 9% after the organization detailed surprisingly good quarterly profit and raised its entire year direction. Delta Airlines Incorporated shares fell 5% despite the fact that the organization said it would get back to a similar degree of productivity in the second quarter as it did in a similar quarter in 2019, preceding the pandemic. More popularity and higher ticket costs are balancing a leap in energy costs. Victoria's Secret & Co. shares rose 5.8% after the apparel retailer beat assumptions for benefit per share, revealing EPS of $1.11 contrasted and assessed for 84 pennies. Income of $1.48 billion measured up to assumptions. NetApp covered Wednesday fourth quarter income that beat experts' estimates and income that was in line with expectations. NetApp reported profit per portion of $1.42 on income of $1.68 billion. If you'd like to know what company will build a high-speed railway in Egypt, click the previous video on our YouTube channel.